Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. Look at this number, $1,041,025.66, selling 41,249 units. Do I have your attention? I am a seven-figure seller online. It's weird to say, but I am. That's a lot of money that I've generated so far. That's a lot of units sold and a lot of very happy customers along the way. Do you want to learn more about what I do and how you can do it too? Click that link. It's either above or below, left or right, or in the description of this video. It's not all profit. I had to pay for ads and the base cost of the products, of course, but it's a pretty good living regardless. How did I do it? Well, basically, I sell print-on-demand products online. There's no store necessary. I use print-on-demand platforms to do this. There's no customer service, which means the platforms handle all that for me too. There's no inventory up front. It's made only after it's ordered, which is just awesome. So if it sounds pretty cool, I think so. It is the best business model that I've found online. What if I taught you how? I will teach you, which speeds up your learning curve. If you want to learn more, click the link. I would love to show you more details about this. If you want passive income, this is as close as it gets. If you want to learn from an expert, you found them. Click the link. It's in the bottom left or top right of your screen, or it's in the description, and I would love for you to learn more about this. Have a great day.